Okay, so it's gonna be my first time to try Tungrymbai as African in Shillong, guys. So as I told you, people said you must try it. So let's go. Tungrymbai.
Tungrymbai.
Tungrymbai. Tungrymbai.
Yes.
I feel like it should be a title for a song. I will sing for you guys. If it's nice, I will definitely sing for you.
PB side.
Hello guys, hello Shillong, Meghalaya. Yeah, hi. I'm with my friend Rana. Yeah. So yes,
How
that
do you
is
like
Gabs.
about Shillong?
Yeah, it's amazing, guys. So good vibe outside here. And you know, guys, today we are in PB, and what is gonna be special is that Tungrymbai. You know,
What is a Tungrymbai?
my subscribers, my viewers, they said I should try something called Tungrymbai. I don't know what is it, but I'm here in PB just to try it out, guys.
It's just a sauce.
It's just
Sauce.
yeah, I can't wait to try it, guys. So we are inside PB. This is where you find everything, whatever you want. It's kind of a big market.
Big market here.
Yeah, it's a very big market, guys. Hey, they also
It's
sell.
very costly.
They also sell food here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very costly.
It's very
You want to
costly,
buy
no?
brand clothes also you will get from here.
Okay, it's like costly when you want to go for branded things, and if you want to find the cheapest thing, I think also you'll find, huh?
Yeah. Second hand also you will find.
Everything, guys, you will find here
Yeah.
because this is the main market.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's around evening 4, guys.
Everyone
Yeah.
know about this market.
Yeah, I think people from other district, other places also, they will come to this market only.
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. Can't wait. Can't wait for the Tungrymbai. Yeah. It's kind of also busy market and little bit traffic. Huh? Yeah. But I just love the vibe, guys. I love the vibe out here.
Yeah.
And you feel good. You feel good when you be here.
Climate condition is also
Yeah, the climate is good. The weather is good.
the people is good.
Yeah, people are so friendly. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Muja 50, socks
Muja?
50 means
50.
socks 50.
Okay. Just you can see, guys, see how crowded it might be from there.
It's crowded, no?
Yeah, it used to be crowded like that. Because it's big. It's big.
Because it's a season
This is speaking
of
Hindi,
buying,
right?
It's a season of buying things, no? Okay, that's why.
Which is the next other biggest market other than PB? Like,
Jadoh.
huh?
Jadoh.
Jadoh.
Yes, Bara Bazaar.
It's called Bara Bazaar.
Jadoh we used to call the local name.
Okay.
Jadoh is a big one.
Bigger,
That one you came with.
bigger than PB?
Yeah. That
Okay.
one you came with the owner of your house.
Ah.
You buy some meat out there, no?
Okay. How far is it from PB?
It's just 200 meters by foot.
Okay.
We'll go.
Huh? No, we won't go here. Today, let's just go and try the Tungrymbai, guys. So this is the vibe so far. Let's just go and have the experience, guys. Let's go for Tungrymbai. And can't wait to taste and to see the reaction. Okay?
We'll eat Tungrymbai with Jadoh. Jadoh this one.
This is with Jadoh, na? Okay. Okay guys, so now gonna try what you people suggested, guys. A lot of people, they said I should try this Tungrymbai, guys. So basically this is the Tungrymbai, right?
Yeah,
This one.
Tungrymbai.
This is Tungrymbai. So they said you can also eat it with white rice or with Jadoh. So no problem, any. The main item is here. This is the main item. It's called Tungrymbai. What again? What? Huh? So okay, the Tungrymbai, this one, it's basically beans.
Yes, yes.
It's a beans, huh?
Masala.
With local masalas. Where is the beans inside there?
Yeah, this one is beans. We already grind it.
Oh, they grind it?
They grind it, yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is this big one is beans. Yeah.
This one, beans.
Yeah, beans.
So they grind it
We'll mix it together with
with masala.
fat of pork.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll cook with oil. We'll eat, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Can't wait.
Yes.
Okay. So according to the Khasi Christian tradition, people always pray before food for us. So I'll pray in Anabi Barakar. Amen. Okay. So it's gonna be my first time to try Tungrymbai as African in Shillong, guys. So as I told you, people said you must try it. So let's go. Tungrymbai.
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 Yes.
I feel like it should be a title for a song. I will sing for you guys. If it's nice, I will definitely sing for you.
You must try
Tungrymbai.
Tungrymbai.
The first taste of Tungrymbai. The tung and ring. This means tung ring bai.
Hey, nó có gì nào em xí hả? Tết đã bị nói tết vào kia là mình buồn kia là mình nhìn rõ kia mà
Này. You like it?
tiền thì nên rõ kia không rung. Tiếp sau mà làm gì mình
Why am I feeling the smell or the taste of a dry fish?
No.
I feel like that. Okay, let me give it a try. One more try.
You don't eat dry fish.
Huh? It's not. No. I eat, but this how it's tasting.
Just eat.
Let me try it one more.
Eat with pork. One pork.
Is yours from Bai? What about yours?
No, I'm fine. No problem. I'll eat with this chutney. Every moment when I came here, I used to eat Tungrymbai.
I'm trying to. My brain is still processing. What is it exactly, guys? My brain can't get it so far.
Your brain is still processing.
You know, it's first time.
First time you eat Tungrymbai?
Yeah, first time, man. Let me give it a bite again. Okay, but I feel like I'm eating a curry which is made from a leaf.
A curry made from leaf?
From leaf, maybe veg leaf like that. This is what I'm feeling anyway. I'm just saying what I feel because it's my first time trying it.
In this Tungrymbai, you used to for make it tasty, or for smelly, the good one. You used to add with bay leaf. Bay leaf,
huh?
Yes.
Okay. It's little bit spicy, like little spiciness is there, like that feeling of eating black pepper.
Yes, it's not black pepper.
Spicy?
I don't add any black pepper here.
What spiciness, little spiciness I'm feeling.
We add ginger also, a little bit of ginger.
Yes. Ginger is there. Okay, guys. It's not that bad, but maybe because it's my first time, feeling a little bit awkward, that feeling. I don't know why, but because maybe people say it used to smell bad before cooking, but the result is good. The smell is, I don't smell something bad here so far, but it's just my first time eating it. It tastes little kind of weird for me, but anyway, it's not that bad. It just it's all about experience. If you get used to it, then now you will like it. Obviously. But for today, I don't think I'll finish this, guys. I'm really sorry, but it's a nice experience. Out of 10, I'll give it 6. Only 6. Okay? But I really love Jadoh.
And Tungrymbai.
Not Tungrymbai. I love
Oh,
Jadoh.
you love Jadoh.
I love Jadoh. I ate Jadoh and I ate what again? Their salad is really nice. Jadoh is my favorite. Especially that one they mix with, how do you say? When they mix the egg with that chicken, like that. That one used to be nice. Thank you guys. I don't know, maybe because I ate a lot from home and I drank milk.
Oh, yeah.
I took milk, guys. That's why maybe I feel more not to eat more. But anyway, thank you for the suggestion. It's a nice try. Yeah. Tungrymbai.